Careful planning puts you ahead in the long run. Hurry and scurry puts you further behind. Proverbs 21 verse 5. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair review / installation video, and this is featuring Wiggins hair. So they sent me their 26-inch beautiful loose wave frontal wig. This is a 13x6 frontal wig, transparent lace. As you can see here, I'm just putting my foundation on the lace just so it blends seamlessly into my skin. And yeah guys, I was super excited to try this hair. It's so long, it's so soft, it's so pretty. I've been wearing curly hair a lot recently, and yeah man, I just feel like I haven't tried loose wave. Like I've tried water wave, I've tried deep wave, but I've never tried loose wave hair, so I was super excited to try this. So in the bag we have a wig cap, there's satin wraps, and then we have eyelashes, and what else we got in there? We got adjustable straps and an elastic band. And I love the fact that these companies are adding elastic bands in their bags. It just makes the whole process easier when I'm laying the lace, because I don't have to like buy so many elastic bands because it comes with the wig. So yeah, I got this wig in a large cap size. It fits me really well. Because I have a large head, I always get a large cap size, because the rest, it just doesn't fit. Average, no, it's not fitting my head. I have like a 23-inch head, and I would definitely need a large cap size. And this fit so well, even had extra space. So as you can see, I'm just cutting around the ear tabs just so it fits my ears very nicely. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. I have a little trick. So I part the hair that's around my ear, I part it out of the way, and then I just cut in that part. So as you can see, that little part that I made, I just used my eyebrow scissors to cut in that part. I use eyebrow scissors because I feel like they're more precise, and it's easier to create that jagged motion with them. I'm super scared to try and use, you know, the razors. I just feel like I would just cut the entire lace in half, so I'm not even gonna attempt. So I'm gonna wax the hair away so that when I cut it, I don't cut any strands or anything. And now I'm just gonna cut in a jagged motion. When I lifted the lace, I was so shocked at how well the lace melted into my skin without me even gluing it down. Like, I was so stunned. I just knew that this install was going to be a great one. So yeah guys, watch me as I glue down the lace, and I'm using HD glue. It's actually an adhesive. Okay, so now I'm just going over everything with my Got To Be freeze spray, and this is just like an extra layer of security for me. And you know, all those tiny places that may have not catched onto the glue, the Got To Be will hold it down. And then I'm going to take the edges that I'm going to be creating, the baby hairs, the edges, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I usually take like 3 sections because I only do that standard baby hairstyle. So yeah, I'm going to part out the baby hairs, and then I'm going to put my foundation on top so that the lace melts even better. And then I'm going to apply my elastic band just to melt that lace even further. So now I'm going to take my wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm just going to hot comb my hair. I now hot comb the front in sections. Before I used to, like with my straight hair, I would section out the top portion, but now I'm sectioning out the sides because why not? I want it to lay extra flat, so I'm going to section it out and apply my wax stick, then go over it with my hot comb. Guys, excuse that little mark there. I cannot ever bleach in that area, that's why it looks like that. But yeah, I'm just going to take my hot comb. This is by Papa Chichi on Instagram, and this is their pink hot comb. I'm just going to hot comb through. To style the edges, I'm going to be using FOG mousse. The reason why I use this mousse is because it is alcohol free and the hold is absolutely insane, guys. So I would highly recommend this mousse. People ask me where I get FOG mousse from. I get from my local hair shop. So any hair shop around you should sell FOG mousse. And I believe another alternative could be the Cream of Nature one, but I rely on the FOG mousse. So yeah, I'm just gonna customize the frontal, the edges, and all that good stuff. Alright, so to define the curls on this, I'm using a mixture of the Soft and Free Curl Activator lotion, or whatever you want to call it. It's just a quick curl activator. I'll say it's a lotion because it feels like a lotion, and I just mixed that with water. I feel like alone the curl activator is very, very thick and it can weigh the hair down, so I mix it with water. And yeah, just ignore the packaging. That's not the actual packaging of whatever I'm using. I'm just mixing it, and I use the 2 different styles of packaging. I feel like this applies better because it's more of a mist, and that's the Tresemme heat protectant spray bottle. And yeah, I'm just gonna drench the hair with that, and this really defined the curls without weighing it down and, you know, making it look like it has tons of product inside. And now I'm just going to use the fine tooth comb part of the edge brush to just brush out the edges so that they're not as harsh and as crispy. And then I'm going to define my part with my MAC NC45 concealer. And yeah guys, this is pretty much the end of the tutorial. I'm just going to show you guys the hair. I highly recommend this hair. It's so soft. Like I said in my last video, all the hair that I create a installation video with, I have done my research, and yeah, it is some good hair, especially this lace. Like, this lace is absolutely unreal. On camera it looks rather light, but in person it's absolutely fine. This hair is super duper long. It's 26 inches and I am 5'9", and it goes pretty much to my hips. If I was to stretch it, it will go past my hips, but I ain't trying to do that. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out Wiggins hair. All the information will be in the description box down below. Make sure you check out the hair. The direct link will also be in the description box. And yeah guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.